with this baby. I really like it. I can't wait to reach my goal, guys. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, it's gonna be a quick video showing you how I moisturize my hair and what I use in the potions that I make to stimulate hair growth and stop hair thinning and excessive shedding. Okay, and this methods really work. I've been using it for a month now, and I really like it, and there is no going back because I'm seeing the results that I want. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video for more to come. Okay, so thank you. I have my hair. It's dried and ready to be revitalized again. Add moisture to it and seal that moisture in. So the way I do that, I prepare my beautiful papaya leaf water. Okay, just boil some water and wash your papaya leaves, put it there and let it brew for a few minutes until it cools off, and then I transfer it into my spray bottle so that way I can spray my hair with it. Okay, and then what I'll be using is grease. Okay, just water and grease. And today I'm just going to be using this carrot oil that I DIY. I have a video on the channel that you can see. Okay, so I have this green one, Blue Magic. I'm using the green one. I also got myself the blue one, so I mix it up because I don't know what the formulas are. They both claim that they do the same thing, but I just don't want to miss anything out. So I got both, and I'm gonna be mixing both of them together. A clear bowl right here. So I'm gonna take 1 spoon of this. You don't need too much. A little bit goes a long way. So I go ahead and put it in here. Okay, and now I take some of the green one, the same proportion, and I add it to here. Now I have both. Okay, so then I cover them and put them away. Then I open my DIY carrot oil. You can use any oil, vitamin E oil, any oil that you want, castor oil. Sometimes I use castor oil, coconut oil, any oil you want. So I'm gonna add a few, maybe 1 spoon as well. Okay, so this is just a pre-poo process. So I'm gonna mix it up. You can take it to a microwave, you can do the indirect heat method to melt it together, but since I am pressed for time, it's night time, it's already 10 o'clock at night, so I can just mix it with my fingers. And here, that's what it looks like. That's the consistency of it. Not a lot of change. The oil makes it more softer. So now we can go around the edges. You can see my edges are in trouble, so we're gonna try to take care of them and get them to come back. Okay, I want all this to be fuller. Okay, so then you just go ahead and do this. And the back, my nape, I don't have any here at all on there, but we're gonna take care of that and make it come back. So we go ahead and spray the hair. Okay, we just want it to be at a point where it's manageable, so that way if you touch it, it's not gonna be breaking off or anything. Okay, so then once we have that done, we can go put it in sections. And using my grease, I'm just gonna dab my finger, grab some, and go around the hairline and apply it. Okay, and here, and apply it. I'm just making sure that the water is reaching down to my scalp, so that way I can separate the hair. Okay, so here I grab some grease, okay, and I apply it to that. Okay, now that was a big section. I'm gonna further separate it and make sure that everywhere gets its share of the lotion. Okay, guys? I did the entire process on camera. I didn't pause or anything. So here we have it. I am done with this side, but guess what? I use all the grease. I have very little left. That's not gonna do anything for the other side, so I'm gonna use another 2 spoons to make some more grease, so that way I can take care of the other side. That was only one side that I did. Okay, so here I have it, and the hair feels very soft. I separated all the clumps. Okay, so now soon I'm gonna be using my wide tooth comb and my detangling brush to detangle the hair, but I'm gonna do that off camera, okay, because the video is already rather long. So yeah, so here I have it, guys. It works so well. This water and grease, Blue Magic or any other grease that you want to use, it's very good. The hair feels manageable. I can run my hand through it, I can run my fingers through it, and yeah, so far so good with this baby. I really like it. I can't wait to reach my goal, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and leave a comment on how you pre-poo your hair, how you detangle your hair, anything that you are doing to your hair to stimulate hair growth. Share that with me on the comment section below. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Bye.